Hello everyone, so welcome back into my 8th video of today. This is the 8th part of today's video, and this is our new video for education, learning, with a just adventure story twist. Okay, as you know guys, this is our third last 8th video of today on 7th December 2024. Let's start it without wasting our time. Just imagine this, remember that. Okay, as you know, this is just an imagination story, just for your learning and fun, entertainment and education. Did you ever wonder what it's like to step abroad a real life pirate ship? Okay, today I am taking you on an unforgettable adventure exploring a legendary vessel that once sailed the high seas. Imagine the stories these wooden planks could tell as we walk through the narrow corridors. You can almost hear the echoes of pirates lugging and piloting their next treasure hunt. But this is not just about the thrill, it's a deep into history. We learned that pirate ships were more than just floating hideouts. They were symbols of freedom and rebellion against oppressive systems. Every inch of this ship is filled with lessons about courage, teamwork, and the relentless pursuit of dreams. But here is the kicker: while pirates are often romanticized, I mean, I cannot ask this word correctly, but you can imagine. Okay, in movies, the reality was far more complex. Many pirates fought for their rights and freedom. What is meaning of pirates? Maybe you don't know. If you know, so must write their answer in the comments. Everyone is waiting. Okay, otherwise I tell to everyone, just paste your everyone's question in the comments. Challenging the norms of their time. It's a reminder that every story has multiple sides, and understanding those perspectives is crucial in our world today. As we explore the captain's quarters, we discovered how leadership was essential in keeping everyone united. It was not just about plundering, it was about building a community even among outlaws. That is a lesson we can all take to heart. Working together toward a common goal can lead to incredible adventures. Okay, so whether it's on a pirate ship or in our everyday lives, let's embrace learning from history. Let's challenge ourselves to see beyond the surface and understanding the deeper meanings behind every story we encounter. Join me on the journey of discovery. Okay, hit that follow button for more adventures like this. Bye for now, subscribe for more.